Everyone, and today we'll be studying the dot product of two vectors. Say we have some vector A and another vector B, and we need to multiply these two vectors. Now there are two ways to multiply them. इसको दो तरीके से multiply कर सकते हैं दो vectors को. पहला तरीका है डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेना उन दोनों का. क्या मतलब? देखो A डॉट B. यस, हम इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं डॉट प्रोडक्ट मतलब A डॉट B. अब हम डॉट प्रोडक्ट को डिफाइन कैसे करते हैं? हाउ डू वी डिफाइन डॉट प्रोडक्ट? वेक्टर ए डॉट वेक्टर बी इज ए बी कॉस थीटा. दिस इज हाउ वी डिफाइन अ डॉट प्रोडक्ट. मतलब ए इज अ वेक्टर, बी इज अ वेक्टर. स्मॉल ए विदाउट द साइन इज द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए वेक्टर ए. ये ए इसका मैग्नीट्यूड है, बी इसका मैग्नीट्यूड है, और थीटा जो है इज द एंगल बिटवीन टू वेक्टर्स. है दिखा सकते हैं ऐसे. ये हमारा कॉल दिस ए, ओके, वी कॉल दिस बी. लेट अस से दैट एंगल थीटा. तो इसमें वेक्टर ए डॉट वेक्टर बी और ए डॉट बी, बिकॉज डॉट प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर वेक्टर्स ओनली, ए बी cos theta. Okay, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos of angle between them. इसको फिजिकली कैसे इंटरप्रेट कर सकते हैं? इस तरीके से, वी नीड टू फाइंड द कंपोनेंट ऑफ ए अलोंग बी. मतलब ऐसे यहाँ से परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करिए. वी ड्रॉ वन परपेंडिकुलर थ्रू ए ऑन बी. ओके, सो नाउ दिस बेसिक ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. अगेन दिस इज ए साइन थीटा, दिस पार्ट. Okay, a sin theta. This has a magnitude a cos theta. So that's what we are doing. We are multiplying this magnitude times the magnitude of our original our b vector. Yes, and that's pretty much all of it. Now let us apply what we know to are three special vectors I cap, j cap and k cap. Okay, so three orthogonal vectors. This is I cap, then let me say this is j cap, so yeah, this will be k cap. Okay, now what is I cap dot j cap? Both of them are magnitude 1, so 1 1. But what is the angle between them? The angle between them is 90 degrees. You know, angle pi by 2 radians. So cos pi by 2 or cos 90 is 0. So I dot j is 0. ठीक है. Similarly, j dot i क्या होता है? J dot i is this product is this dot product commutative? मतलब a dot b is the same as b dot a. Yes, obviously you can see this from a definition itself. Even if we interchange a and b, the angle won't change and the magnitudes won't change. So a dot b is commutative. So this will also be 0. Okay. Now what about j cap dot k cap? तो guess भी कर लिया होगा. 0. Again same logic. Magnitude 1, but the angle between them is pi by 2 radians. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Similarly, k cap dot I cap is also 0. Okay. Now what is I cap dot I cap? I cap dotted with itself. मतलब एक I cap unit magnitude 1, दूसरा magnitude 1. Angle between I cap and I cap क्या होगा? What is the angle between I cap and I cap? Well, it's 0 degrees. So cos 0 is 1. This is 1. This is also 1. So I dot I is 1. Okay. Similarly, j cap dot j cap is also 1, and k cap dot k cap is also 1. Okay. Now note this is a scalar. This has magnitude. This has magnitude. This is also a number. Okay. Number. So, or magnitude number. This quantity a dot b is always a scalar quantity. Now, what if we have vectors in their I cap, J cap, K cap form? कैसे वाला देखो, याद दिखाता हूँ. A cap याद है ना कि क्या था हमने ऐसे, AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap, and B BX I cap plus BY J cap plus BZ K cap. Suppose we are given our A and B vectors in this format, coefficients of I cap, J cap and K cap. और अब हमें इसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट निकालना है. कैसे करेंगे? Well, let me show you. A dot B. Okay. So this entire thing dotted with this entire thing. Okay. AX I cap. I'm just rewriting the entire stuff. Cap dot BX I cap BY J cap BZ K cap. Now how do we open these brackets? We open these brackets the normal way. एक AI cap इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, फिर इससे होगा, फिर इससे होगा. Okay. And similarly with AJ, you multiply this with this, then this, and then this one. Similarly, AK भी similar same जाएगा. AX into this one, and this one. Let's do this. First part, AX I cap. Okay, AX I cap dot BX I cap. Well, this part is AX BX. Okay, let me write this down. This is just AX BX. Okay, they are just numbers. Now what is I cap dot I cap? Well, it's I cap dot I cap is 1. Right? We have already showed this. So this is nothing but AX BX. Now the next term will be AX I cap into BY J cap. Let me see, AX I cap dot BY J cap. Now this product will be AX BY, okay, but what is I dot J? I cap dot J cap is nothing but 0, because they are at an angle of 90 degrees with each other. Okay, so this term will be 0. Similarly, AI cap into BZ K cap will be 0, because I dot K or K dot I, whatever, it is 0. So the only term we are left with is AX BX. Similarly, when we multiply AY J cap with all these three components, हम AI J cap से इसको करेंगे, फिर इस वाले को, फिर इस वाले को, क्या बचेगा हमारे पास? J cap dot I cap will be 0, J cap dot K cap will be 0, बचेगा हमारे पास A Y B Y. Similarly, Z का क्या बचेगा हमारे पास? A Z B Z. And this is our vector A dot vector B. The formula for vector A dot vector B if it is given in this form. Okay. And yes, it you can also easily see that it commutes. It is a commutative. B dot AS BX AX BY AY BZ AZ. It is still the same as A dot B. So yes, that's all for today, and thanks for watching.